Do you spend more time on YouTube than you planned? On Samsung Galaxy phone, you can set a daily limit for YouTube. Once you reach that limit, the YouTube application will be paused for the rest of the day. In this video, I'll show you how to set it up using Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. Without further ado, let's dive into it. On your phone, go to the settings, then scroll down until you find Digital Wellbeing. Tap on it. Inside Digital Wellbeing, scroll down until you find App Timers. Tap on it. This is the Set Timer page settings. At the top, tap on Apps and App Categories. From here, find and select the app that you want to block. For this video, is YouTube. You can scroll down to look for the app, or you can tap on the search icon on the top right side of your screen and then type the name of the app. In this case, YouTube. The YouTube app will appear. Then tap inside the circle to select the application. The app will be selected and appear at the top under Selected Apps. Then tap on Done on the top right side of your screen. Under Apps and Apps categories, you can see that now we have the YouTube. Below, you have the option to give this timer a name. We will do this later. Following that, we have the app timer alerts. These are the notifications to remind us how close we are to the end of the timer. Tap on it. Here at the top, you can see that we have the option to set it on or off. In my case, this one is set to on. Below, you have the default alert times. You can choose all, some, or just one. The last option allows us to set our own alert time. I'm going to set this one to 3 minutes and uncheck all the other options. This way, 3 minutes before you finish the timer, you will get a notification. Once you're done here, tap on the back button at the bottom right side of your screen. You can see here under App Timer Alerts that the time we have set is 3 minutes before. At the end, we have to add a schedule. Tap on it. This is where you're going to set how much time you want to spend using the app and when. In this case, how much time you want to spend scrolling or watch YouTube videos. Right here at the top, you can select which days of the week you want this timer to work. In this case, all days are selected here. To unselect, just tap on the day. And to select, tap again. Below, you have the timer. If you leave this way, set to 0, it means this application will always be closed. If that's the case, it is better to uninstall it. For now, let's set this one to 0. Once you finish here, tap Save to save all the changes. It will take us to the main Digital Wellbeing page. And here, you can see that because we set the timer to 0, our YouTube timer is over. I'm going to minimize this and try to open YouTube. Under the YouTube app, you can see at the bottom left side a small icon. This is the Digital Wellbeing icon. This tells you that the Digital Wellbeing setting is active for this application. If you tap to open, you will get this notification saying that our timer ran out. You have the option here to change the timer if you wish to do so, or tap OK to move on. What we want here is not to block you from accessing YouTube, but to better manage the time you spend on it. Now let's go back again to the app timer settings. Under app timers, I'm going to tap on YouTube. Now here, we are going to change the timer from 0 to 1 hour. To do that, tap here inside the schedule and then set this left side to 1 and keep the right side to 0. The left side is for hours and the right side is for minutes. Once you're done here, tap on Save. Now you can see here that our YouTube timer changed to 1 hour and it shows that we still have 1 hour left. If we go back and try to open YouTube, you will see that YouTube now opens with no problem. This is how you set a daily limit for YouTube. Remember that because you have set the alert time to 3 minutes, 3 minutes before the timer ends, in this case our 1 hour timer ends, you'll get a notification. If you're finding this video helpful, don't forget, give it a like and subscribe to the channel. It helps a lot. Now let's say you have decided to add one more app to this timer. For this example, let's use Instagram. Let's go back to the app timer settings. Under app timers, tap on YouTube. At the top, tap on apps and app categories. Then tap on the search icon and look for Instagram. Once you find it, tap on it to select. Under selected apps, you will see that now you have YouTube and Instagram. To finish, tap on Done. Under this timer, you can add as many apps as you want. Keep in mind that the 1 hour timer you set here will be shared across all the apps in this group. Now, under app timer name, let's give this one a name. We can give this timer a proper name. Let's call this social media. Then tap Save to finish it. Under app timers, you can see here that we no longer have YouTube but social media. And on the right side, we have the number 2, which shows how many apps are under this timer. If you go and check the Instagram app, you can see now that the Instagram app also has a digital well-being icon. If you decide to create a new app timer for a different app, go to the app timer settings and then tap on View App Timer List. This will show you all the timers that you have available and the option to delete if you choose to do so. To add a new timer, tap on the plus sign on the top right side of your screen. Here, follow the same steps I've showed you before. Well everyone, this is how you set daily limits for YouTube and any other application on your Samsung Galaxy phone. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe to the channel. It helps a lot. I'll see you in the next one. Have a good day.